Ready to snag that must-have item on eBay without breaking the bank all at once? Today, we're diving into how you can use Clearpay on eBay, letting you split your payments into easy, manageable installments first. Make sure you have both an eBay account and a Clearpay account set up. If not, head to their respective websites and get registered. While eBay doesn't directly link to Clearpay, the magic happens at checkout. Browse eBay as usual and add your desired items to your cart. Once you're ready to pay, proceed to the checkout page. This is where the Clearpay option will appear if the seller accepts it. Look for the Clearpay logo in the payment options. If you see it, fantastic. Select Clearpay as your payment method. You'll then be redirected to Clearpay's website to log into your account and confirm your payment schedule. Double-check the amounts and dates to ensure everything looks correct. Once you've confirmed, Clearpay will pay eBay for your purchase, and you'll pay Clearpay in installments. You can track your payments and manage your schedule directly through the Clearpay app. And that's it. You're now equipped to shop smarter on eBay with the flexibility of Clearpay. Happy shopping!